Namaste. This is the subject of pharmaceutical analysis, and today's topic is limit test. So first, see what are limit tests. Limit means a value or amount that is likely to be present in a substance, and test is to examine. So a value which is present in a substance which we are examine or investigate is the limit test. So limit test is defined as quantitative and semi-quantitative test designed to identify and control small quantities of impurities which is likely to present in the substance. मीन्स लिमिट टेस्ट मीन्स हम ये एक सेमी क्वांटिटेटिव टेस्ट है जो बहुत छोटी छोटी क्वांटिटीज़ में इम्प्योरिटीज़ जो हमारे सब्सटेंस में प्रेजेंट होती हैं उसको आइडेंटिफाई करता है. Okay, limit test is gradually carried out to determine the inorganic impurities present in the compound. In short, limit test is nothing but to identify the impurities present in the substance and compare it with the standards. Okay, so in this we do the test and we identify the amount which is present, and then we will calculate it with the standard, that is limit test. Next is what is the importance of the limit test. By this we find out the harmful amount of impurities. Okay, next is to find the avoidable and unavoidable amount of impurities. बेस्ट ये है लिमिट प्रोडक्ट्स का कि हमें पता चलता है कि इसमें कितनी इम्प्योरिटीज़ प्रेजेंट है और इसमें क्या क्या प्रेजेंट है. वी शुड नो अबाउट द इम्प्योरिटीज़ इन दिस और उसके अमाउंट के साथ हमें पता चलता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट लिमिट टेस्ट इज limit test of chloride. Limit test of chloride is based on the reaction of soluble chloride with silver nitrate in the presence of dilute nitric acid to form silver chloride with appear as a solid particle in the solution. Okay, so you can see the reaction here. This is the chloride which is soluble, and then in this we add the silver nitrate in the presence of dilute nitric acid HNO3, and then it form the silver chloride. In here there is disperse reaction, the chloride disperse the nitrate here and we get the silver chloride, and the nitrate is out. In this you can see the reaction here, this reaction. Next is the procedure. Test sample. Specific weight of compound is dissolved in the water or solute is prepared as a direct in the pharmacopoeia and transferred in Nessler cylinder. Then standard compound. First we will have to take a test sample and the standard sample. We have to compare the test with the standard. So for the test we take a specific amount of compound, then dissolve with the water or the solution is prepared and which is given in the pharmacopoeia, and we will prepare the solution in the cylinder. Next, add 10 ml of nitric acid in that, then dilute it with 50 ml in the cylinder, then add 1 ml of silver nitrate, solution, then keep aside for 5 minutes, then observe the opacity or turbidity. A turbid is formed. Next, for standard we will use the 25 parts per million of chloride. Take 1 ml standard solution of chloride in Nessler cylinder, add 10 ml of nitric acid, dilute to 50 ml in the cylinder, then add 1 ml of silver nitrate solution, keep aside for 5 minutes, observe the opens and the turbidity. एक ब्लरी सा सब्सटेंस एंड लिक्विड फॉर्म हो जाता है इसमें. देन स्टैंडर्ड क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन 5 ml ऑफ 0.8 to 4% weight by volume solution of the sodium chloride in the 100 ml of water. Then in the observation I told you एक blurry सा solution opaque सेंस प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है इन दिस. रीज़न क्यों प्रोड्यूस होता है? बिकॉज नाइट्रिक एसिड इज एडेड इन द लिमिट टेस्ट ऑफ द क्लोराइड टू मेक सॉल्यूशन एसिडिक एंड help silver nitrate to precipitate and to make the solution turbid at the end of the process. So here we have completed this limit test of chloride. Hope you will like the video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.